Are you tired of overthinking, feeling stuck, or wondering when things will finally get better? You're not alone. Life can feel overwhelming, but there's one truth that brings peace to every storm. Allah is in control. When everything seems to be falling apart, that's often when Allah is working silently behind the scenes, preparing something greater for you. This isn't just comfort, it's a promise. In this video, inspired by the words of Mufti Menk, we'll explore why you should stop worrying. Place your trust in Allah and believe with certainty He will fix everything for you. 1. Allah is aware of your struggles. In times of hardship, it's easy to feel forgotten, but never think that your pain has gone unnoticed. Allah, the most merciful, is fully aware of what you're going through, even when no one else is. Every tear that falls, every sleepless night, and every heavy thought is known to Him. He is Al-Basir, the all-seeing, and As-Sami, the all-hearing. Your silent du'as, whispered with trembling lips, are not lost in the wind. They rise straight to the heavens. Sometimes the people around you may not understand the depth of your pain, but Allah does. He knows what's hidden deep within your heart, the fear, the confusion, the longing, and He is never distant. In fact, the Qur'an tells us, "Indeed, we are closer to Him than His jugular vein." Qur'an 50:16. That closeness is not just physical, it is emotional, spiritual, and deeply personal. 2. Allah is always in control. Life often throws us into situations that feel chaotic, painful, or completely out of our control. In those moments, we may question, why is this happening to me? But remember, nothing happens except by the will of Allah. He is Al-Malik, the king and owner of everything in existence. Every event, every delay, every challenge is part of His perfect design. What seems like a crisis to us is already known to Him, and it fits within His greater wisdom. Allah never abandons His creation. Even when things appear to be falling apart, they are actually falling into place according to His divine plan. Our limited vision can't always see the purpose, but Allah's knowledge is complete. The Qur'an reminds us, perhaps you dislike something, and it is good for you. Surah Al-Baqarah 2216. Trust that the one who governs the entire universe is also managing your life with mercy and precision. 3. Divine timing over personal deadlines. We live in a world that values instant results, instant answers, instant success, instant healing. But Allah's plan doesn't follow our clocks or calendars. What we perceive as a delay is often Allah preparing us for something greater. His timing is never early, never late. It is always perfect. When a door doesn't open right away, it doesn't mean rejection. It could be that Allah is protecting you, or that the time isn't right yet. Many of the prophets waited years before their prayers were answered. Prophet Ayub, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, endured immense suffering with patience, and Allah rewarded him in full. This teaches us that waiting with faith is not a waste, it's worship. Sometimes the delay is where the growth happens. Allah is shaping you, strengthening you, and getting you ready for what's coming. Trust that His delay is not denial. It's divine wisdom unfolding in your life. 4. Trust in the process. Tawakkul. Tawakkul means placing your full trust in Allah while still making your best effort. It's not passive, it's powerful. When you do everything within your ability and then leave the results to Allah, you experience true peace. Trusting the process means believing that Allah's plan is better than your own, even when you can't see the full picture. The Prophet Muhammad, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, said, "If you were to rely upon Allah with true reliance, He would provide for you as He provides for the birds. They go out hungry in the morning and return full in the evening. Tirmidhi. This shows that tawakkul includes action. Just like the bird, you must strive, but with the heart fully anchored in Allah. Your job is to keep praying, keep working, and keep hoping. Whatever the outcome, know that if your trust is in Allah, you are exactly where you're meant to be. 5. Promise of relief in the Qur'an. One of the most comforting verses in the Qur'an is found in Surah Ash-Shah, where Allah says, "Indeed, with hardship comes ease." 94:6. What's beautiful is that this phrase appears twice in just a few short verses, a divine reminder that relief is not far behind difficulty. Allah doesn't say ease will come after hardship, but rather with it. This means that even in your darkest moments, there is already light being prepared for you. This promise is not poetic. It's a guarantee from your Creator. Every struggle you face carries hidden blessings, growth, and mercy. Sometimes we're too focused on the pain to notice the ease unfolding beside it. The strength you're building, the patience you're developing, or the sins being forgiven. Allah's words are timeless and true. When He says, ease is coming, rest assured. It's already on its way, perhaps closer than you think. 6. Hope and reassurance. No matter how heavy life feels right now, never let despair take over your heart. Allah has not abandoned you. The storms you're facing are not the end of your story. They're part of your journey back to Him. One of Shaitan's tricks is to make you believe it's hopeless, that you're too far gone, or your problems are too big. But the mercy of Allah is far greater than anything you're going through. The Prophet ﷺ said, "No fatigue, illness, anxiety, sorrow, harm, or sadness afflicts a Muslim, not even a thorn that pricks him, except that Allah expiates some of his sins because of it." Bukhari. Every difficulty is actually bringing you closer to Allah, cleansing you, elevating you. So keep your head high and your heart open. Even when you see no way out, believe that Allah will fix everything for you. Just keep believing. Hope is a form of worship. No matter what you're facing, remember, Allah is with you, and He never abandons the believer. Keep your faith strong, your du'as sincere, and your heart hopeful. He will fix what's broken in your life in the most beautiful way. If this reminder brought peace to your heart, please like, share, and subscribe to Pious Deen for more uplifting Islamic content. Before you go, comment below with this beautiful prayer. Ya Allah, I trust you. Fix what I cannot. Let's fill the comments with hope, faith, and healing. Twinkle, twinkle, little star.